The benefits of flaxseed for hair and overall well-being are many. This humble seed, also known as linseed in India, has rich history that spans back thousands of years. Flax seeds are small, brown, nutty flavored seed is a part of modern diet due to its impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefit. Packed with essential omega-3 fatty acid, lignans, and fiber. Along with adding a nutritional punch to your dishes, it has promising benefits for hair growth. Especially, flax seeds are rich in ALA, which is vital for nourishing hair follicles. These healthy fats not only reduces inflammation in your scalp but also enhance blood circulation to your hair roots. Thus, the roots of your hair receive essential nutrition, making your hair stronger and thicker. Flax seeds are tiny golden oval shape and usually brown or golden can consume in various forms. They can be eaten whole, ground into a meal or flour, or pressed to extract flaxseed oil. Let's explore the components which matter and how they work. One of the key ingredients in flaxseed is omega-3 fatty acid. Especially flax seeds are rich in ALA, which is vital for nourishing hair follicles. These healthy fats not only reduce inflammation in the scalp but also enhance blood circulation to your hairs. Thus, the roots of your hair receive essential nutrition, making your hair stronger and thicker. Another crucial component found in flaxseed is vitamin E, recognized for its antioxidant properties. It safeguards your hair follicles from oxidative stress that stem from free radicals that can trigger hair loss. Moreover, vitamin E boosts blood circulation. Regular use of flaxseed can bolster the texture of your hair texture and improve its shine. Flax seeds are also packed with vitamin B such as B1, B3, B6 and folate. These vitamins play an important role in fostering hair growth. They strengthen your hair strands, reduce breakage, and give your overall hair health a significant boost. Vitamin B stimulates the production of red blood cells that transport oxygen and nutrients to your scalp, providing an ideal environment for your hair growth. Did you know that flax seeds are rich in source of protein? Protein is indispensable for building and repairing hair tissues. Your hair is primarily composed of protein called keratin. Therefore, adequate protein intake is vital to maintain the strength of your hair and minimize breakage. Flax seeds are not just about vitamins and protein, they can also help balance the pH level of your scalp, which create an optimal environment for your hair growth. Additionally, flaxseed can regulate your scalp's oil production, ensuring it's neither too oily or nor too dry. This balance is crucial for warding off common issues like dandruff and scalp irritation.